my channel. I am Rachel and I'm so excited that you're here. I haven't recorded a video in forever and I thought I would just share some happy mail that I got this week. I placed an order for the Echo Park card makers kit. This is the April 2021 card makers kit and it's about $19.99 and it comes with an exclusive stamp set that I believe you can only get in their card makers kit. And then it came with a 6x6 paper pad and it's their salutation, I guess number one, salutation line, and then you get some ephemera. So it's just enough to make a card, several cards. It's not like they have a bigger kit that's like $35, which I think again is a really good deal, or maybe $30. It's a really good deal, but it comes with like way more stuff. This one's only $19.99 and this is exclusive. You can't order this off the site, but I believe you can order these. And it came with shipping. I think I said that 14 times, but to me that's a big deal because anytime I order off like these websites, you got to pay like $5 to $7 for shipping. And like these items is probably like $5 alone. So I feel like I'm wasting money and this is free shipping. So let's just jump in and I can tell you all about it. Let's start with the exclusive stamp set. So this is the April 2021 kit. I talk so fast. I stumble over my words. So it says Friendship Card Makers Inspiration. So I guess this seems like a friendship like card making kit. And so you get these stamps. It says, let's make the most of this beautiful day. You are loved. Hello. Happy birthday. Get well soon. Miss you. Thank you. Friendship. And then just like some little decorative stamps there. And then it has, it has some assembly instructions on how to make these down here. And it looks like it says for exclusive free die cut files, like the tags using this card, go to this one, you go to download. So I can, I guess because it has these examples here, I can download like these cut files. I think it's the tags. I'm not really sure what else is there. So I'm curious what else will be in those cut files. I see this little leaf here. I'm wondering if that's there, but I don't know for sure. But it does tell you how to make these cards, which I think is pretty cool. You can probably go to their YouTube or something as well, but you can make whatever you want. But I always love just the inspiration because I've never made cards out of, their kits before. So let's go ahead and do a flip through. Now this is, it says 24 double-sided sheets, which I love because not all paper pads come double-sided, but Echo Park, I think most of their small ones are 6x6, they come double-sided. But it's, let's see, it's 24 and it's 3 times, it's the same prints 3 times. So it's like, I guess that's 8 different prints. Ooh, this alone, this is the cover. Oh, that's not the cover. Sorry, this is the cover. I thought that was the cover. I was like, whoa, even that's double-sided. Okay, so you have these little cut aparts. I don't know what you call them cut aparts when you, well, okay, yeah, you cut them apart. I was thinking tear aparts. Yeah, you got to cut these aparts. They're probably 2x2. I don't know what size those are, but look how beautiful this is like the B side, the back side. That's a really pretty print. Usually they're cut aparts, whatever that is. I had already flipped through this, so it kind of, I ripped that out. But usually their cut aparts, their B side of their cut aparts is a really pretty print. You can't really tell, that one's kind of subtle. But usually the back side of those particular ones, which I love and hate because then I don't want to use these because I want to use the back side. Or I don't want to use the back side because I want to use those. This is really cute. And then here's this. Okay, so this paper pad, they do fall apart very easily. The ones by Simple Stories do not come apart as easily, but these do. It says, hello, you're loved. Thank you. Way to go. All good things are wild and free. Never give up because great things take time. And heck yeah. And then you can stamp whatever you want there. That's the beast. This is so beautiful. It's so springy. Positive vibes, dream, friendship, happy birthday, smile, be happy. There's beauty in everything. Dream big. Just a note, you're magical and hello. And then this pretty little print. They have a ton. That's so pretty. They have a ton of these cut aparts. Shake it off. You make me happy. Shine. Magical. Hello, sunshine. Thank you. Yes. And then these pretty flowers right here. Oh my goodness. This is a pretty print. So it looks like these florals are the same as these. They're smaller. Okay, and then that's a repeated design. Wild and sweet, crazy little thing called love. Elegance is when the inside is beautiful on the outside. Is as beautiful as the outside. It will all work out. Do more of what makes you happy. Let's make the most of this beautiful day. Never underestimate the difference you make. Everyday moments, better together, get well soon, everything is fine, thanks. And then this pretty print on the back of those. And that one. So I guess it's the same thing. Am I repeating? Let's see. Okay, so that is what this paper pad is, because I probably repeated that already, right? I did repeat. Okay, so I repeated these. Sorry. I was about to read all these. Okay, so the whole paper pad, I'm sorry, I've never gotten one of these. This whole paper pad is all, I was waiting for just prints, but now, okay, so now I understand it's repeating 3 times, so you could use these back sheets, okay? So it's 8 of these cut aparts, and on the back of them is this really pretty prints. So I was waiting for there to be like front and back of this kind of designs. So that's that. And they come apart really easily. So that's the paper pad. And then you have this ephemera. And I don't know if I will read every one of these, because the sentiments are pretty much the same thing as it's the same sentiments as in here. They're just cut aparts. Now, I will say I wish that, not cut aparts, ephemera, these die cuts, I will say I can already tell, I wish, they're all, most of them have phrases, and I really wish that there was more like decorative things, like just flowers. Like this is thanks, positive vibes. Let's get this out of the way. Like this one, just a flowers. Elegance is one, okay, we already know this. I'm not going to read every single one because you've already heard them or seen them in the cut apart. So I feel like I would probably layer the printed side of the cards, of the paper pad without the sentiments, and then layer these ephemera on top of them. Okay, so it does have these little tags that are, not tags, like banner type. I don't really know if you call that a banner, but these little things. These are really pretty. And you could totally make these out with your die cuts, like a metal die cuts or your silhouette. I can make that. So here's a flower. So it looks like it only has like 2 flowers. Just a note, dream, you make me happy. And then this big one. Good vibes only. This is really pretty. There's beauty in everything. That's really pretty. So that is the card kit. It just comes with these 3 things. So I can't wait to get started on it. It's such a pretty print. And then I know that this line, I believe, the salutation line, I believe it has like 12 by 12. It probably has all kinds of things. I bet you there's stickers. And that's going to be in the bigger kit. There's probably like washi tape. Like their kits are big. If you've never checked out the Echo Park kits, they're big. I've never ordered one, and I think I'm going to do that next. I did sign up for the subscription, which makes this $20. I think it's like $5 more if you don't. So I believe it's $30 for the bigger kit and $35 if you're not a subscriber, I believe. And I just don't feel like that's a bad deal. So yeah, that's what you get with this card maker's kit. I'm excited. We're in the month of April, so I am excited for the month of May. Isn't that like so typical when you get like a subscription? You get it and then you can't wait for the next one. We don't even enjoy this. But anyways, here it goes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little, I don't know, Happy Mail opening, unboxing. See you next time. Bye.